Meghalaya joined the rest of the nation to mark the commencement of the nationwide Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra, a transformative initiative aimed at reaching the unreached and ensuring effective outreach of government schemes. In Meghalaya, the Viksit Bharat Yatra was inaugurated in East Khasi Hills district today. Chief Secretary D.P. Walang flagged off the vehicles carrying the message of Viksit Bharat Sankalp Yatra from Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Secretariat, Khandailat, Shillong. Minister Arts and Culture, Paul Lyngdoh, graced the state-level function of the Janjatiya Gaurav Divas or Tribal Pride at U Sosotham Auditorium, Shillong as the chief guest. Addressing the gathering, Lyngdoh spoke about the history of Khasi uprising and the Khasi resistance movement of 1829, where U Tirot Singh was leading the Khasi rebellion. The minister stated, as with such vast and vibrant history, the Khasi culture should not be just the footnotes in history books, but the entire chapter. Empowering tribals, transforming India, Maupat CNRD Block 2 joined the rest of the nation celebrating Janjatiya Gaurav Divas. Border area